Today, we're making carrot cake. This treat is great for dessert and comes with a refreshing creamy and spice-packed flavor. Let's get baking. Measure out 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, grate 1 cup of carrot, or 2 if you like more carrot. Four eggs, half a cup of applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix until combined. We'll also add the carrots and mix. In a separate bowl with 2 cups of flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt. Also add half a cup of canola oil to the wet ingredient bowl. Add the wet ingredients to the flour bowl and mix. Use a spatula to mix the edges and make sure everything is thoroughly together. Ensure everything gets mixed. Line 2 8-inch cake pans with parchment paper or some sort of non-stick coating. We'll pour out half the cake mix into each pan and then bake in the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Be sure to check when the cake is cooked using a toothpick and seeing when it starts to come out cleanly. For the cream cheese frosting, we'll add 8 ounces of cream cheese, half cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Whisk together. To put everything together, we'll add a layer of frosting between the 2 cake sheets. And then top it all off with a layer of frosting. We can then line the outer top edge with crushed walnuts. And boom, we have a yummy carrot cake. This is just the right balance of not too sweet, but a solid spice flavor from the cinnamon and nutmeg. Let me know what your favorite dessert is in the comments, and we'll see you next time.